This is Mark Tender with Tadlock Roofing. I'm here at 6712 Cabello Drive. It's been asked by Coldwell Realty to do a roof assessment. House is a really nice home near the water up here in Jacksonville. It's got a 3-tab shingle. Let's see what is happening on the roof system. One of the things I want to point out as we get up here is this cupping that you can see at the eave. That's indicative of the shingles starting to shrink back and pull up on that drip edge, and you see that throughout. You can see that the roof is starting to age. There's a little bit of curling in the shingles down in that area there, and you'll see that throughout. But one of the things that I also noticed is that when you look up at this roof, you can see some swaling and some humping in the deck. It gives me a little bit of concern maybe about some venting going on. But let's kind of run up here so we can get a look at this all. It's an 8 and 12 slope, so it's a pretty steep slope roof. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. There's over 30 just in this area here. And then down here you can see other areas that are lifting. Each one of these lost shingles, you can see here there's a little damage point where a nail came up, but each one of these lost shingles exposes those nails. Each one of those nails is then a leak point for moisture to enter the system. I also wanted to note your patio enclosure is a really nice thing, but it creates some areas on the roof that are trapping debris and allowing moisture to build up and help deteriorate the roof system. You can also see here where we've got a lot of debris building up in the collection points. On the deck down in that area there and over here, there may be an issue there where you might need to have somebody take a look at the underside of the deck and how that's protecting the envelope of the building as well, because while the leak could be here, it could also be on that underside. So but let's kind of come up over here. I wanted to show you on this side of the roof what is really happening in a lot of places. Each one of these marks I have here is lifting just in a spot check out on this field. And what I want to show you is why it's so important to get this taken care of and what's really going on throughout your roof. You can see here where you've got these modeling where the shingles actually baked and the granulation, which is the protection and the color of your roof, has left the shingle. So these shingles are all damaged. They're starting to bake. And what you can see here, here's 2 nail pops, but these shingles start to lift. They lift the other ones above. They start to move back and forth. You can see this crazing here, and each one of these nails then gets exposed and causes a leak. So it's a really good thing you called me out here before this gets a lot worse. This is going to continue to happen. You're going to continue to have blow-offs. And in my professional opinion, you need to get this taken care of sooner rather than later, as these active leaks will continue and do damage to the inside of the house, and over time will wreak havoc on the structure as well. Thank you.